In this video I'll show you how to replace an old hard drive with a new SSD. In older computers and laptops, the main performance bottleneck is the hard drive. First, let's take apart the laptop by unscrewing all the bolts on the back. Don't forget to remove all devices from the USB ports. Next, we need to release all the internal clips. Using any thin tool, carefully pry open the case along the seam. Do this all around, starting from the front, then along the sides. After this, on most laptops you can lift the keyboard up, but on some the bottom cover is removed. The keyboard and touchpad are connected by ribbon cables, so be careful not to pull too hard. To disconnect the cables, just flip up the small retaining clips and gently pull them out. After this, the keyboard can be easily removed and you can see the motherboard, cooler, and hard drive. Let's take a closer look at the motherboard. Removing the hard drive is now easy. It's held in place by just one screw. Then gently slide it out. You'll need to remove the mounting bracket from this hard drive. To do this, unscrew these 4 screws. You can also wipe away dust and clean the cooler. For heavy dirt, you might need to remove the motherboard and the cooling assembly to clean it with compressed air. Now you can install the new SSD. First, attach the mounting bracket back onto it. Carefully slide the drive into its connector and secure it with the screw. Now you can put the keyboard back. Also, don't forget to reconnect the ribbon cables for the keyboard and touchpad. Snap the case back together and you can check if it's working. Like the video and subscribe to the channel.